Technology is moving faster than ever. If you're not keeping up, you're falling behind. But here's the good news. I have got you covered. Today I'm sharing top 9 game-changing technology trends that are changing everything. Ready to level up? Let's get started. The first is AI and advanced machine learning. AI is not a buzzword anymore. It's transforming everything from how we code and how businesses make decisions. AI and machine learning will go beyond chatbots and recommendation engines. Developers will integrate AI into apps for predictive analysis, smarter automation, and even creating code itself. And this is just the beginning. AI is also becoming smarter at recognizing patterns and adopting in real time. And if you're a developer, it's your chance to master this skill. And the best part, the demand for AI-driven apps and skills is only growing. So learning it today means you are future-proofing your career. And next is machine learning operations and DevOps evolution. AI models are only as good as the systems that support them. That's why machine learning operation is set to transform the way we deploy, build, and manage AI-powered solutions. In simple words, DevOps principles like CI/CD now apply to AI pipelines. And the result? Faster delivery and better collaboration between teams. It ensures your AI model just doesn't work, it thrives in production. With MLOps, you are not just deploying code, you are building a pipeline that ensures your AI solutions are always optimized and up to date. In my opinion, this is really important because it bridges the gap between experimentation and production. And next is quantum computing. Quantum computing is not only a research topic today, it is becoming a practical reality. Unlike traditional computers that process bits, zeros, and ones, quantum computers use qubits. And it is set to disrupt the tech landscape in a big way. It can perform calculations exponentially faster for certain problems. And you will start seeing quantum's impact on encryption, AI training, and solving complex problems like logistics and drug discovery. The good news, you don't need a PhD in physics to get started with quantum computing. There are many frameworks available today in the market. These frameworks abstract the complexity, allowing developers to focus on writing quantum programs that solve real-world problems. And quantum computing will not replace traditional computers, it will complement them. And the next in my list is Web3 and Decentralized Technologies. Web3 is redefining how we think about the internet. Web3 is not a buzzword anymore. It is the next evolution of the internet. Unlike traditional Web2, Web3 leveraged blockchain to create a decentralized, user-driven ecosystem. For developers, this opens up the world of new possibilities. From building decentralized apps to creating smart contracts that automate processes without middlemen. Imagine building a marketplace where users own their own transactions, or a social network that is not owned by corporation. That's the power of Web3. Think of it this way. Web3 empowers users to own their data, identity, and assets. In my opinion, Web3 is not a trend. It's a movement toward more secure and reliable and transparent internet. And the next is sustainable and clean tech innovation. Let's get real. Planet is heating up and technologies is not innocent. From energy efficient apps to carbon neutral data centers, developers have a critical role to play in creating greener solutions. Think about this. Renewable energy like solar and wind power is becoming more popular. The way we code can also make a difference. Big companies like AWS and Microsoft are already offering tools to help developers to track and cut down on energy use. There are many tools and frameworks available today to check how environment friendly your code is. And the next in my list is Advanced Robotics and Automation. Picture this, robots working side by side with humans. Not in some far off sci-fi future, but right now. And soon, advanced robotics and automation will be everywhere. In factories, hospitals, warehouses, and even your home. Robots are not only for heavy lifting work, they are getting smarter. And thanks to AI and IoT, they can hear, see, and make decisions in the real time. And the best part, tools like ROS, Robot Operating System, make it easier than ever for developers to jump in and start building. And the next is edge computing and IoT. Edge computing and IoT are reshaping how we process data, making applications faster and more efficient. Instead of sending all data to cloud, edge computing processes it closer to source where it's generated. On devices like sensors, gateway, or even smartphones, this reduces latency, saves bandwidth, and makes real-time responses possible. For developers, it's opening a lot of new opportunity. So you have to design a new distributed system that works across all the devices. It's not only hardware. Developers will also play a key role in optimizing softwares for resources-constrained environment. And the next important one is cybersecurity and zero trust. Do you think your code is safe? Think again. Hackers won't just exploit your mistakes, they will outsmart outdated security models entirely. Cybersecurity has always been important, but now it will be critical. Zero trust in cybersecurity models that assume no user, devices, or application can be trusted by default, even inside a network. In a sense, zero trust operates on the principle of never trust, always verify. And that's why zero trust is a new gold standard. And by adopting zero trust principle, you can write more secure and reliable applications. And the other important one is serverless and microservice architecture. What if I told you you can build application without worrying about infrastructure or hardware? That's the promise of serverless computing. It lets you focus purely on writing code while someone else handles the infrastructure. Combined with microservices, you get better scalability, flexibility, and faster development cycle. In very simple words, it is cost effective and future of software development. So set your goals and start taking action. But here's one important thing. Make sure your goals are pushing you forward, not backward. What I have discovered is most of us setting goals backward. To ensure you're not falling into this trap, check out this video. 90% of us falling goals backward. And thank you for watching.